Ever wondered what makes a dish globally loved? Today we embark on a culinary journey to explore the secrets behind three of the world's most adored dishes. We'll be jetting off to Japan to unravel the art of sushi making, then hopping over to Mexico to learn the craft of tacos, before finally landing in Italy to master the classic pasta carbonara. Each recipe a testament to its country's rich food culture. Ready to delve into the world of global cuisine? Let's start with our first dish, sushi from Japan. Sushi, a representative of Japanese cuisine, is known for its delicate preparation and flavorful taste. Diving straight in, let's begin with the foundation of any good sushi, the rice. Sushi rice is no ordinary rice. It's short-grained and cooked with a mix of vinegar, sugar, and salt, giving it a distinctive tangy flavor that complements the fish. The rice should be cooked just right, neither too hard nor too soft, and the seasoning must be evenly distributed. Moving on to the star of the show, the fish. Sushi is best when made with the freshest of fish, sashimi grade if possible. Tuna, salmon, or even eel, the choice is yours. However, freshness is paramount as it directly influences the taste. The fish should be thinly sliced, following the grain to ensure it melts in your mouth. Now let's roll. No, not that kind of roll. We're talking sushi rolls. First, place a sheet of nori on a bamboo sushi mat. Spread a thin layer of sushi rice over the nori, leaving a small strip at the top. Then, lay your chosen fish and any additional ingredients like cucumber or avocado across the rice. Now, using the mat, roll the sushi tightly from the bottom up. The key here is maintaining a firm grip to ensure the roll stays intact. Finally, it's time to serve. A good sushi is always accompanied by wasabi, soy sauce, and pickled ginger. The wasabi adds a punch of heat, the soy sauce enhances the savory flavor, and the pickled ginger acts as a palate cleanser between bites. But remember, sushi is not just about the taste, it's an art form. It's about the balance of flavors, the precision in preparation, and the presentation. So, while you're enjoying the process of making sushi, don't forget to appreciate its beauty as well. With these easy steps, you can bring the taste of Japan to your kitchen. Next, we travel to Mexico for some delicious tacos. Tacos, a staple in Mexican cuisine, offer a burst of flavors in every bite. This lively dish embodies the essence of Mexico, bringing together myriad flavors and textures in one delectable package. Imagine a soft, warm tortilla cradling a medley of ingredients. It's a culinary journey not to be missed. The first step in our taco journey is the humble tortilla. Traditionally made from corn, these flat round breads are the cozy blanket that holds everything together. They're usually warmed on a griddle until they're soft and pliable, ready to be filled with a world of goodness. Next up, the filling. The beauty of tacos lies in their versatility. You can fill them with almost anything your heart desires. From the traditional carne asada, which is a marinated and grilled steak, to the succulent carnitas, slow-cooked pork that's been crisped up just before serving. But it doesn't end there. You could opt for grilled vegetables, sautéed shrimp, or even scrambled eggs for a breakfast twist. The taco is your canvas, and you are the artist. Once you have your filling, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. The warm tortilla is cradled in the hand, and the filling is piled onto one half. It's a delicate balance. Too much, and you risk a taco catastrophe. Too little, and you'll be left wanting. The key is to find your perfect ratio, and finally, the crowning glory, the toppings. This is where you can really let your creativity shine. Freshly chopped cilantro, tangy pickled onions, a squeeze of lime, a dollop of guacamole, or a sprinkle of crumbled queso fresco. The possibilities are endless. Each topping adds its own unique touch, enhancing the flavors and adding depth to your taco. With these simple steps, you have a Mexican fiesta ready at home. Crafting your own tacos is not just about making a meal. It's about experiencing the vibrant culture and flavors of Mexico, so don't be afraid to experiment and make it your own. Now let's fly to Italy for our last dish, pasta carbonara. Pasta carbonara, a classic Italian dish, is a creamy delight that is sure to win hearts. Let's get started on this timeless recipe. First, the pasta. Traditionally, spaghetti is used, but feel free to choose your favorite pasta type. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil and cook the pasta until it's al dente, firm to the bite, yet cooked through. This is a crucial step, as the pasta forms the backbone of this dish. While the pasta boils, let's move on to the sauce. Carbonara is renowned for its creamy, velvety texture, achieved by using only the freshest of ingredients. The sauce is a simple yet flavorful mix of egg yolks, grated pecorino romano, and a generous amount of freshly ground black pepper. Whisk these together until they form a smooth, glossy mixture. The key here is to use quality ingredients. The richness of the cheese, the warmth of the pepper, and the creaminess of the egg yolks create that classic carbonara flavor we all know and love. Next, let's talk about the pièce de résistance, the pancetta. In a hot pan, cook the pancetta until it's crispy and has released its fat. This will be used to coat the pasta, adding another layer of flavor to our dish. Now comes the magic. Drain the pasta, reserving some of the starchy pasta water. Toss the hot pasta in the pan with the pancetta, then remove from heat. Slowly pour in the egg mixture, stirring constantly. The heat from the pasta will cook the egg slightly, creating a creamy, silky sauce. If it's too thick, add a little of the reserved pasta water. To finish off, garnish with more grated pecorino romano and a sprinkle of black pepper. There you have it. Pasta carbonara, a dish that's simple in its ingredients but rich in flavor. And voila, you've just made a classic Italian dish in your kitchen. But wait, we have something more for you. We've taken a culinary journey around the world, right from your kitchen. And what a journey it's been, wouldn't you agree? We've dipped our toes into the art of sushi making in Japan, soaked up the vibrant flavors of Mexican tacos, and savored the creamy delight of pasta carbonara from Italy. Each dish, unique in its flavors and preparation methods, is a testament to the diversity and richness of global cuisine. We've seen how the delicate balance of vinegared rice, nori, and fresh fish come together to form the perfect sushi. We've experienced the burst of flavors in a simple yet tantalizing taco, and we've indulged in the creamy, comforting goodness of pasta carbonara. But let's not forget, this is just the tip of the culinary iceberg. There are countless recipes out there, waiting to be discovered, tasted, and mastered. So what's stopping you? Get out there, or rather, get in your kitchen and start experimenting. Remember, cooking is not about rigid rules, but rather it's a creative process, a sensory exploration. It's about experimenting with flavors, playing with ingredients, and most importantly, having fun. So, dare to try, dare to innovate, and dare to create your culinary masterpiece. And as we wrap up this delicious journey, let's not say goodbye, but rather, till we meet again. Remember, the world is a kitchen, so don't be afraid to try new recipes. Until next time, happy cooking.